What's up friends and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to use Replit AI. So friends, before starting with this video, make sure subscribe to my channel for more content. So guys, this is a AI app software you can create through Replit AI app. You have this dashboard section. From here guys, just click description for your apps site you want to create. You have app type, you have 3D games, you have web app Python, you have interactive data app, you have modern web app. For example guys, 3D web app, just write your description. For example, need a app for football match. For example guys, just click create app. You will give you all this app data guys. You can see here guys, and this is the how you can use Replit AI. Replit AI football tracker, name is football tracker. If I go back guys, you have deployment option here. You can deploy it to products, and you have a usage, you have a team, you have templates guys. Also you can use all this template to build your app. Language support guys, the Python and HTML and C++, Java, PHP web, and all this app. You have also support AI app that are just like OpenAI, ChatGPT. So guys, if I click create app, you can create app and you can choose the templates from here. For example, this Python templates, and write your title from here, and you can import from GitHub, and you can connect your GitHub account, and you can create with the Replit agents. So this is the app guys. I have just free plan. You can upgrade plan to get all this access, deploy and host live app, unlimited private app. Cost monthly guys $25, pay as you usage. You have 40 monthly dollars, basic access controls. So a lot of option you can discover here. This is, you can refer lots of friends. You can use guys also the type of app, as I say. This is a great app you can use guys. You have documentation here. This is all guide for documentations. This like app guys just looks like a software from here. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope this video for you. Don't forget to like and give share this video from